I'll repeat today yesterday's session. You can
Okay,
understand today
thank you,
as
sir.
well. Okay. Guys, first we'll go to Python installation. Python installation, right? How to install and all. Guys, anyone faced any problem while installing Python?
No, sir.
Everyone installed. Hey, Rowdy Rathod. Hey, Rowdy Rathod, did you installed?
Yes, sir. Install, sir.
Okay. Very good. Let's today's session will be somewhat interaction wise. I'll go through it. I felt yesterday I went to very fast. Few people complained and all, so that I'll go little slow and interactive. So I consider only the fresher guys and those who don't know Python, don't know programming language. It's fine. The experienced people, please bear, so that it is very helpful for them. Okay, so I'll share these 3 links with you guys, and then you can go through it. You can install all the programs. Okay. Okay, Mayur.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there is YouTube link, guys. You can in the YouTube link in the below they mentioned Windows 10 how to install, Ubuntu how to install, Mac how to install. So that I can share that link with you guys. You can go through that link and then you can install if anyone is not installed. And also please don't forget like, subscribe. Hey, anyone can talk, right? Someone can talk, otherwise I can't understand whether I'm tell you people are understanding or not.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Sir,
Hey,
we'll do.
please subscribe. Don't like and all, it's up to you, but
Sure,
subscribe.
sir.
It is helpful for us. Yeah. Okay, then guys, I'll come to first topic, Python data types. Okay. So what is data type? That is some weird question. I don't know, programming language. What is data type and all? So guys, do you, how you'll carry your money? Uh, Kishore Yadav,
Sir,
how you'll carry your money?
in the purse,
And other than pass, you'll keep in your home, you'll put it in bank all the ways,
any,
right?
any type of lockers.
Yeah, kind of lockers and all, right? You're keeping your money, right?
Yeah, sir.
So similarly, in the Python also, there will be some data you want to store in wallet or in locker, maybe in bank, something like that. Some kind of data is there. You need to store in different data types. So for that, Python provided some data types to store some variable, some data. That is nothing but one is numeric. In the numeric, what we will do, we will store integers. Integers, right? Numeric, numeric data types. Mathematics, maybe you got to know.
Yes, sir.
Rama, can you talk? Mathematics, numerics, that whole
Hi.
number, prime number, and
Yeah,
all.
yeah. Okay, yeah. Hi, everyone. So, hi, Raghu, sir. And this
Yeah.
is Rama. And coming back to the data type of numerics, it all holds all the natural whole numbers, everything which takes up with all the digits, right?
Yeah. So you are teaching better than me. You can continue. Complete class.
Absolutely not. Yeah. No, absolutely
You
not.
can continue. Yeah.
No, I'm fine. You can continue. I'll have queries in between if I get something, any doubts.
By the way, Rama means you are my sister friend.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, fine. Yeah. Oh, thanks. You also joining. fine.
I just joined just now. I got the link, so I thought I'll just have, I'll join it.
Okay, fine.
You can continue.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Okay, guys. So numeric, man. So there are multiple. There are three kinds of data is available. One is integers. There will be integers. Right? All of you guys know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, 2, 3, something like that. So that kind of data, if you want to store, that is kind of data you want to store in integer variable only. So something like that. And float. Float is we can store some portion of the data also in the integer. So 2.3, 2.5, 2.7, something like that. And similarly, complex numbers, maybe everyone aware of that. 2 plus 3j, 1 plus 5j, something like that. So this is numeric. So anyone having any doubt?
No, sir.
Please feel free to ask.
No doubt.
Maybe we will extend our classes, 10 more classes, but please feel free to ask. You can interrupt me at any point of time. You're sure about numeric? Python having multiple data types. In that, one is numeric. Numeric having sub data types, such as tell me what are those? Float, integer, and
Float,
complex.
integer, complex.
Yes. Can we do can we code these three type of data type so that it will be fixed in our mind? Okay. Gautami, can we code?
Yeah, sir.
Gautami, can we code about numeric in Python? I don't know where she is. It's okay. We will go and explain. Okay, numeric. So guys, I'm writing here. So it is yesterday's code only. I'm not writing anything new. So here I'm writing. So in Python, if you want to print something on something on command line, so we will use this is print of something. So we can write print of, we can write whatever we want inside this string. Yes, please, can anyone can talk? Who background is there is no noise, they can and then they can talk.
I had a doubt. Can I ask you now?
Yes.
Yeah, integer is equal to 5. You mentioned there.
Yeah.
We assigned here.
Yeah.
So because we are new to the Python, sir, we don't know any idea regarding that. So,
Yeah.
but I'm having an idea in C and C++ Java. So
Okay.
int A is equal to 5. We assign in other languages. So
Yes,
here we doesn't use any variable here.
Yes.
No need to use any variable.
No need to mention any data type. So
Okay.
Python itself, it will identify what
Okay,
kind
sure.
of data it is. So that is one advantage.
Okay.
Otherwise, if we want to store in C some integer, we need to do float, something like that.
Okay, sir.
Something
Sir,
like that.
I'm having one more doubt.
Yeah. Okay. Tell me.
Yeah, in the printf function, integer we mentioned there 5 will be printed.
Yes, 5 will be
And
printed.
is a type of the word should be printed as is of type.
Yes, is
5
of
is
type.
a 5 is a type. Yeah,
Is
is of type. Then what about type?
So you know, this is type is one function actually. So
Okay.
this is one function. It is inbuilt function.
Okay.
So it will take argument as whatever data you will give, and it will return what is the type of data.
Okay.
So
Sir, what
if
is
you
What is inbuilt function, sir?
Inbuilt function means, so for example, if we want to write some addition function, so def add 2 comma 3, just forget about all this whatever function, how we are declaring and all, just understand concept. We are returning 2 plus 3. This is addition function. We return a b a plus b. So what if we want to store, if we want to add two numbers, just we will call add of 2 comma 3. Then it will return what it will return. It will return a plus b, means it in a will store 2, b will store 3, and finally a plus b means 2 plus 3, it will return 5. So we can reuse this function, right? Add of 2 comma 3 and add of 5 comma 10, add of 10 comma 20, something like that, right? So this function we return, so user return function, this is in this particular file we return. But similarly, Python already it return few functions. It is stored in the library. So and it is stored in the library, so that no need to write by user. So it is available in built-ins.b file. So where it is available, you can see the path: library, JetBeans, PyCharm, Python stubs, and it is under Python stubs 2006 / built-in.py. Can you see here? This is there is function type class. Who asked this question? Who asked this question?
Yeah, it's clear, sir. I am asking it.
Yeah, sir. It's me. Clear, sir.
Python itself it is written inbuilt function, and so that no need to write all this stuff in our file. Okay, that is inbuilt function.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So print. So if we want to write something on command line on output terminal, then we will use print. Print is output function, and here we are storing 5 is the variable. 5 is some number, integer number. We are storing in this particular variable I. So 5 is a type of, it will send whatever the value we are giving 5, it will pass to the type class, type function, and then it will analyze what is this particular class of this particular variable, and then it will return and it will print here. Can we execute this program? Mahesh Reddy, can we execute this program? Mahesh Reddy, I don't know. I'll go to my favorite person, Banu Ram Prasad. Banu,
Yes, sir. Tell me.
can we execute this program? Hey, you just
No,
switch
sir.
on your
Trying,
mic.
sir.
Can I execute the program?
Trying, sir.
Yes or no? Yes or no?
Trying, sir, but not possible.
No. Can I? నేను ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయనా ఇక్కడ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ని?
చేయండి సార్.
చేయాలనా? ఎట్లా చేయాలి? How can I do? This is Python file. How should I execute? Can anyone answer?
Run.
Python 3.
Where should I run? Python 3. Someone is saying something.
Python 3 file name.
What is the file name?
.py.
Yeah,
Numeric.py.
So guys, remember, when you want to run any Python script file, you need to mention Python space and file name. And here I mentioned Python 3 because in my mission, Python 2 installed, Python 3 installed. So if I enter Python, by default, it will take Python 2. So that's why I'm mentioning Python 3. In your mission, Python 3 is installed. You can use Python space numeric.py. Okay. Whenever you want to execute any Python script file, you need to give Python 3 space and file name so that it will execute all the lines. Okay. I'm running this program. Banu. Yeah, you can see the output. Guys, are you able to see my screen, the letters clearly?
Yes, sir.
No. So you can see 5, I is 5. 5 is of type, this is string, and type of I. Type of I, it will call inbuilt function and it will return something. That something is nothing but class int. Can you see? Is that fine? Rowdy Rathod, is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we'll go to the next set data type, float 2.0. And here we are printing in the same way. Float value is of type and type float value. So Rama, can you tell me what is the output here? Okay, guys, I'll hide this one. Yeah. Rama, are you there? I don't know. She left. Okay. Nikhil, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. What is the output of this line? Can you tell me?
For float, sir. Float value.
Yeah. 19th line. What is the output?
Yeah, it's 2.0 is a type of float.
Yes, exactly. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yeah, that is correct. And similarly, we are going to the third data type, that is complex. And we know what is the complex number. I hope everyone read mathematics in your children education. So I no need to explain complex number. This is complex number. And then we are printing C. We are stored this complex number in C variable and is a complex number. I'll write something differently. Is of type, is type of C. Similarly, we will pass this number to type function and it will return what is the class. And someone, Kishore, can you tell me what is the output of this 22nd line? Kishore Yadav?
Sir, 1 plus 2j is a type of complex.
Yeah, exactly. We'll run and then we'll see whether. Yeah, whatever someone said 2.0 is type of float, that is correct. And 1 plus 2j is a type of class complex. That's fine, right? What is integer? What is float value? What is complex number? Guys, that is clear, right?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Everyone. Is any single person having any doubt? Please ask me. Pocket purse, someone, I don't know. Is anyone having any doubt? Guys, you can ask me question. Everyone. Rowdy Rathod.
Sir.
You're clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Then we'll move to the next set of data type. So next we will go to we'll go to sequence type, so that it will be easy to understand the dictionary. So sequence type. So there is another data type, is nothing but what is this? Sequence in Python data type, sequence. It contains 3 different data types. One is string, another one is list, another one is tuple. So guys, what is sequence? Can anyone?
A sequence is a
In order.
In order, right? So
Sequence.
maybe it's kind of continuously will have some data, some
Yeah,
Type of data.
yeah,
series
1,
of
2, 3, 4.
spaces.
Yeah. So I'll tell you. I'll come to first data type. Where is this? Yeah, string. I'll come to first data type. What is this? My cat is irritating me. Go, 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 go. Hey, shit. Nana, it is called Nana. Nana, you please bite away. I'm sorry, guys. So string is nothing but collection of characters. It is nothing but collection of characters only, right? My learn nest, right? Guys, string is nothing but my learn collection of characters. In place of character, it could be anything. So in place of double quotes, if you'll keep @/1 2 3 4, whatever you will enter inside double quotes, it will Python will treat it as string. Are you guys clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we'll go to example and then we'll see. Okay. Sequence. Yeah. So S is I stored this is a Python class, this particular string in S variable. And in this, for example, this is the sequence of characters, right? So I want to access some specific character inside the string. How can I access? By doing indexing. So Python provided indexing for this particular string. So in this is Python class. This is string. Index will start from 0. T's index is 0. H index is 1. I index is 2. S index is 3. And space also one character. And space the first space index is 4. So if I want to access first character, then I'll print S of 0. Okay, you guys got it? Ayappa, you got it? Ayappa, you got it? Ayappa, did you understand?
Yes, yes.
Okay. If S, can you tell me what is the index of P?
Eight, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So you guys got what is indexing and how to access this one. Okay.
Yes.
So
yes.
for example, so in Python, they're having multiple operations. So if I want to print Python in the word, so maybe I'll come little later on this one. Slicing, when I explain slicing, I'll tell you. So there will be two strings, for example, MLN Python class. There will be two strings. I want to combine these two strings. So in that case, I can use plus operator between two strings. Okay. And I'm storing in S3 variable. So in this way, we can concatenate two strings. Okay. For example, S1 equals to Kishore, S2 equals to is staying, S3 equals to Hyderabad. So Kishore, I want to combine all these three strings into some variable. How can I do it?
S4 is equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3.
S1 plus
S2 plus S3.
S3.
Print of S4.
Okay, 1 second. print of
S4. No need of strings, sir.
no, just I'm taking data
Okay.
and S4. I'll run this Python program, Python 3 sequence.py. So what it came, S4 data, Kishore is staying in Hyderabad, right?
Sir.
But I want spaces in between. How can I add?
Spaces.
I said you right, space also one kind of string, right?
Yes, sir.
Space, I can store space is equals to space, and then in between I can add space, and then I can add one more space here, and I will run. Now it is fine. Got it?
Sir.
Okay. Now, guys, string is clear, right? String. What is string? How we will declare string? How can we access characters inside the string? And how can we concatenate two strings? These all these questions are clear, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
If you are S, if S, then I'll ask one question. So this in this particular case, I want to print E only from the S1. How can I do?
-1.
Apart from Balamurli, any oh man, you are super. Who is answering? -1. Okay, fine. So mention name. Kaushik. I'll go to my favorite person, Banu. Banu.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I want to print E Banu from this string. How can I print?
సార్ ఐడియా లేదు సార్, కొంచెం మర్చిపోయాను, ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి సార్.
Hey, can you are on mute? Just a minute.
Sir, if you don't mind, repeat the question again.
Sir, repeat the question, sir.
Yeah, I'm audible now, guys.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So so if I want to print E, then I'll simply go and I'll count what is the index of E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is not correct. Index will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'll 6.
Sir, screen is not visible.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
Okay, sorry.
Visible, sir, your screen.
Now my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Voice breakdown.
Actually, your voice is breaking.
Okay. Guys, actually, I'm staying in my hometown. Maybe I'll come tomorrow to Hyderabad so that there will be no network glitches. So what you just bear me today so that from Monday onwards we are having super network. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So here, as for so I want to print E alone. So I'll count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So I want to print 6 means S1 of 6. So it printed, what is this? E. Yeah, it printed E here. Guys, someone said -1 and all. That is awesome. But I'll come to that topic later. That -1. So have everyone is clear, right now?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Then I'll go to the next data type, list. So list is a collection of list is a Python data type. It is a collection of unordered items. The item can be integer, that item can be float, that item can be string, whatever. Okay, we can store in this way. So maybe in C language you read about arrays, right? It is similar to array only, but there will be in C language it is ordered collections. Means we have to store, if it is array type, then we have to store only if array type is string, then we need to store only strings. If array type is int, then we have to store only integer. But in case of Python, we can store one item is integer, one item is float, another item is string. We can store in any way. There is no restriction. The definition is clear, right, for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Manu?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. So similar way in string we access based on index, right? In similar way in list also we can access based on index. So 0 means L of 0 means 5, L of 1 means 6, L of 2 means 1, L of 3 means 2, something like that we can access. And similarly, someone said -1 is that last element we can access. In string or in list, there will be negative indexing. Negative indexing means -1 is last element, -2 is last but one element, and forth. So -3, -4, -5. We can access in this way also. Okay. Then there will be,
Sir,
so for example,
sir,
yeah,
sorry.
tell me.
Sorry for
Yeah,
interruption. Could you please explain again negative index?
Yeah, so negative indexing means, for example, positive index means L of 0 means 5, right? L of 1 means 6, right? This is positive way. We are going in this way. In this way.
Okay,
In the
sir.
negative indexing, what we will do, where is this? We will go in this way. -1 means 5, -2 means 2, -3 means 1, -4 means 6, -5 means 5, something like that. I hope you clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Someone asked comments, single line comment, multi-line comment. Once I finish this one, I'll explain you. Just remember me once it is done. So, for example, in the list, how many elements are present? So, for example, in this particular list, how many items or elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there will be 5 elements. So so now we are having i's and we know mathematics, then we got to know there are 5 elements. Then how Python compiler knows? It will go and find out, it will count, it will for loop for I 1 2 3 4 5 something like that. The compiler will count and then it will return. For that, Python already some inbuilt function is there, that is len of L. That in L is iterable object. Iterable object means it could be dictionary, it could be what we can iterate over the elements. That is iterable object. So L could be list or L could be dictionary. So in this case, L is list. It will pass L is the parameter to the len function, and then it will count and it will return the what is that, length of the elements. Okay, till this point clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Till
Yes.
length. Okay. Then for example, so in the list we declared 5, 6, 1, 2, 5. For example, I want to add one more element to the list. So there will be some Python function is there, l.append of 100, so that it will add 100 to the existing list. So that after this particular operation, the elements of list is 5, 6, 1, 2, 5, 100. So this is append, l.append. So for example, this is append operation. If we want to add any element to the existing list, then we will use this particular operation. And for example, so right now the list of items is 5, 6, 1, 2, 5. So I hate 5. So I want to replace this particular 0th position element 5 with some 500. Then just I'll do L of 0 equals to 500. Guys, clear, right? How to update the list?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. And there will be one more operation. There will be extend operation is there. For example, there will be two lists. I want to combine these two lists. So what I'll do first, this particular list dot extend and another list, so that it will append. It will combine two lists. Similarly, there will be multiple Pythonic operations are available. List operations there, so that you just go through, because if I'll explain all the operations, then it will take 1 to 2 days. So Geeks for Geek, how many people knows Geeks for Geek? Geeks for Geek.
Yes,
You can
sir.
type in the chat so that I can see how many people knows. Yeah. Geeks for Geek is, I'm not brand ambassador of Geeks for Geek, but I read to get my first, second jobs, so that it is a really helpful resource. But this is nowadays it becomes huge actually. So there will be a lot of data is available. Tech resource, you can go through it, so you can find out what is the list, what are the different operations we discussed about, append, extend, and sort. It will sort the list. Similarly, there will be some 12 operations are there for please go through this particular link. All the W3 schools, it is, I don't feel like reading, means for understanding purpose, maybe it is okay for specifically to go through every function and all. I don't feel like I don't like actually W3 schools. For basic, maybe I'll understand. Yeah, guys, this is list. So right, so in every programming language, so whatever you will write in this particular file, compiler will consider and it will execute. But for example, I want to write some some words or some text so that the compiler should not understand. So that is nothing but comments. So Python having two different types of comments. One is single line comment. You can write hash space and then you can write whatever you want to write. For example, if you want to write multiple lines, then three quotes inside that one, whatever you want to write, you can write. So in this way, two different type of comments are there. Okay. Clear?
Yeah.
Guys, in this speed is fine for you guys.
Yes, sir.
This speed is fine, right, for everyone? Or I'm
Yes.
going very slow?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's fine.
Yesterday I went like Shatabdi Express. Yesterday I went like Shatabdi Express.
No, sir.
I completed all the data types in single class. I don't know how you people understand. That's fine. So we'll go to another data type. Like tuple also similar kind of list only, guys. But the major difference is that once we declare tuple, right, we can't update that particular value. That is immutable object, immutable data type. So once we declare, we can't change that data. So declaration will be different. This is in this way. What is this open bracket and close bracket? In this way, we have to declare. Usually, what we will do, so whenever we want to store some secrets, so username and password, so that we will store in the tuple. This is my with experience. I'm saying secrets, username, passwords. Whenever we want to send some email to everyone, right? Some Amazon and all. So their email services there will be username and password should be in this position only. We should not update that value. That particular time we will use tuples. Guys, fine till now?
Yes, sir. Fine.
If you have any doubt, please ask me. Please ask me. Don't have doubt, then I'll go to another set of data type. So guys, Boolean, everyone knows, right? What is Boolean? True and false. Boolean. I need to ask my friend Banu. Banu, you know, right? Boolean. Boolean, you know, right?
True or false?
Yeah, exactly. You're fine, right? You're feeling offense if I call you Banu every time for every question. Yes or no?
What, sir?
You feel offended
Hey,
if I call
Banu.
every time you are
No, sir. No, sir.
okay. Sorry guys, I lost in middle. I'm scratching again. Okay. So I don't need to go to Boolean. So coming to dictionary. So guys, dictionary. So dictionary is nothing but. So for
Excuse me.
example, yeah. Tell me.
Yeah. Sir, Mohammed is asking, we can add data into is it possible to add any data into the tuples?
We can add.
Yeah.
We can't update.
Yeah. Could you please give few more examples in tuple by
Yeah,
using tuples?
Yeah, sure. So for example, what do you want? You want to, so similar way. So for example, if you want to access any element, what you'll do? Print T of and
So screen is not visible.
my screen is not visible.
Only the data types.
Maybe it is not refreshing. Now it is fine. Now you are able to see.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Wait, I will connect to the another network. I'm audible, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Okay, fine. So, guys, we will continue our class on Monday. I'll explain you the tuple and operation and next set of items, topics. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Good. For everyone.
Okay, sir.
Because I
Thank
can't. Guys, any doubt till now today?
No, sir. Clear.
Guys, please concentrate on this list and its operations from today's class.
Okay, sir.
List and dictionary. These are two data types we used frequently in our coding purpose. Many places we will use in list only. No class on Saturday, Sunday because I want to take some rest. So that's why.
Yeah.
Sir, where is your hometown, sir?
Karnool.
Sir, Karnool. I am also Karnool, sir. Where, sir? In area?
Alampur, you know. Alampur, Gurtunda.
Alampur, okay. Karnool city, sir.
Joglamba.
Joglamba. Yes.
Not.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. From this group, at least 2 to 3 engineers will, if Miro, okay, iddar mugurana engineer laita, I'll be very happy.
Yeah, definitely.
Any doubt regarding career or anything? Just I'll spend 5 more minutes. You can ask anything. With my industry experience, I'll tell you. You can treat me like friend. Don't say ore gire. Okay. You can ask any question related to software, job and all, how it is, everything you can ask.
Sir, what are the topics you will cover in this session, sir? Python. I mean, we have a data type conversions.
Data types.
Conversions.
Types.
Data type conversions.
What do you mean by data type conversion?
For example, if you have we have integer, right?
You want to convert into string?
Like that, we have a many data
Typecasting.
types.
Typecasting, sir.
Yeah, typecasting. That is easy here actually. You just give your string, and if it is a really integer, then you just type int of that particular string. It will convert actually. This kind of I'll teach you that one, data types in that. I'll tell you. Compared to other languages, here it is really easy.
Okay, fine.
I'll teach you.
Okay, fine, sir.
Yeah, if you have any such topics, please ping to Pulendar. He will forward it to me so that I'll concentrate more on that.
Okay, sir.
I'll teach you something like this. Now, after this, I'll teach you control structures. I mean, for loop, if loop, while loop, and all. And then I'll teach you how to write methods and all. And then few programs. And then I'll teach you what is enumerate, zip, decorator, these some little advanced concepts. And then I'll teach you what is file accessing, how to update and all. Few concepts on my mind which are really helpful. I'll teach you guys.
Oops concept, sir.
Oops concepts also I'll teach you. Please subscribe that channel. That is really helpful for us to
Okay,
reach
sir.
the audience.
Already done, sir.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, sir. Done.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Good night.
Hey, good night. Watch some movies, but do exercise. Do practice on list operations. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Sure.
Please practice on list operations.
Yeah.
Where is my friend Banu?
Sir, tell me, sir.
Nothing. I thought you left. You are there. Okay.
No, sir. Sir, Python programs so important. I mean,
Important
company point of view, ఏవేవి అంటే ఐ మీన్ లిస్ట్
అంటే
లిస్ట్ టుపుల్ ప్రింట్
అవే నేను ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగు. నాకు ఇదేది రీక్లెయిమ్ పోస్ట్.
అంటే నేను థియరిటికల్ గా అయితే నాకు ఓకే సార్ అంతా.
ఓకే, నీకు నా స్క్రీన్ కనబడుతుందా?
థియరిటికల్ గా
నా స్క్రీన్
కనబడుతుంది.
ఈ సైట్ లోకి వెళ్ళబ్బా, వెళ్ళి ఇక్కడ ఇంటర్వ్యూ బిట్ లోకి వెళ్ళి ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లోకి వెళ్ళి this is loading. My net is very damn slow. How do why?
ఓకే సార్, నో ప్రాబ్లం.
No, it's fine. I'm telling you.
అంటే థియరిటికల్ గా అయితే ఓకే.
లేదు నేను అనేది ఏంటంటే, ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగు, చూపిస్తా రియల్ టైం చూపిస్తా. ఎందుకంటే మళ్ళీ అరెస్ట్ లోకి వెళ్తే వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ ఇడియట్ థింగ్. అరెస్ట్ లో ఇక్కడ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్ని ఫ్రమ్ బోత్ సైడ్స్, మినిమం స్టెప్, ఇన్ఫినిటీ గ్రిడ్, మినిమం ట్రిప్, ఇవి దో ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్ అడిగాడు, డీటాలో అడిగాడు. ఇది మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్, ఇది మ్యాక్స్ సమ్ కంటిగ్యూస్. దిస్ ఇస్ రియలీ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. అట్లీస్ట్ నాకే నేను ఒక 10 సార్లు ఫేస్ చేసిన ప్రాబ్లం. ఇది మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ లో అడిగిండు, లింక్డ్ఇన్ లో అడిగిండు, అమెజాన్ లో అడిగిండు, గోల్డ్మన్ సాక్స్ లో అడిగిండు, డెలాయిట్ లో అడిగిండు, డీషాలో, ఫేస్బుక్ లో, ఎన్ని ఇవన్నీ లిస్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్. అర్థమైందా బాను?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
బాను ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి.
అవును.
సరే
అంటే
లింక్ కూడా
ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఇప్పుడు ఒక్కొక్క లెక్చరర్ ఒక్కొక్క విధంగా చెప్తారు కదా సార్ అట్లా. హలో?
అదే నేను వినబడుతుందా బాను?
వినబడుతుంది సార్. అంటే మీ వేలో మీరు చెప్తారు కదా ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ అయితే.
అవునవును. నేను ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తా.
అంటే అప్పుడు
నేను ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తా
ఏం లేదు సార్,
కానీ
అంటే ఈజీగా కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకోవడానికి సార్.
నేను అంటే మ్యాక్సిమం అందరికి అర్థమయ్యే విధంగా చెప్తా. అర్థం కాకపోయినా కూడా నువ్వు నన్ను ఎన్నిసార్లు అన్నాడు వచ్చి క్లాస్ లో, ఐ టీచ్ యూ, డోంట్ వరీ అబౌట్ దట్. అండ్
Okay.
కమింగ్ టు ద యువర్ క్వశ్చన్, ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఏవి అని అడుగుతున్నావు కదా. ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ అనేవి
అవును సార్.
ఏవి ఉండవు యాక్చువల్ గా. బేసిక్ సో ఇవి కొన్ని ఇవన్నీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసినాం అనుకో ప్రోగ్రామ్, నీకు ఒక బేసిక్ ఐడియా వస్తుంది. అరే ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇస్తే ఎట్లా సాల్వ్ చేయాలంటే యూ కెన్ గో టు ఇంటర్వ్యూ. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను ఇంటర్వ్యూ రిలేటెడ్ థింగ్స్ నాకు చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి. నేను నువ్వు వచ్చినావు అనుకో, నువ్వేం చేస్తాను, నాకు ఆ పర్టికులర్ ఆ టైంకి నాకు ఏ క్వశ్చన్ అనిపిస్తే ఆ క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాను. అంతేగాని ఈ క్వశ్చన్ అడగాలి, ఈ సెట్ ఆఫ్ దీంట్లో నుంచి అడగాలి అనేది ఏముండదు. మెజారిటీ ఆఫ్ ద ఇంటర్వ్యూయర్స్ దే విల్ ఆస్క్ ఓన్లీ అరే క్వశ్చన్స్, బికాస్ దాని మీదనే ఎక్కువ పని చేస్తుంటారు కదా. సో అదే ఎక్కువ అడగడానికి ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి. అర్థమైందా? ఓకే.
మండే ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్, ఆ వెబ్సైట్ ఎట్లా ఓపెన్ చేయాలో.
నువ్వు డైరెక్ట్ లాగిన్ అయిపో. నువ్వు లింక్ షేర్ చేసినా
లేదు
కదా,
సార్,
జీమెయిల్ తో లాగిన్ అయిపోయి
అక్కడ వస్తుంది సార్ వీడియో.
వస్తుంది. నువ్వు నార్మల్
మీ వాయిస్ కూడా సరిగా వినపడట్లేదు అట్లా.
అదే యాక్చువల్ గా నాది హాట్స్పాట్ తో కనెక్ట్ అయినా, అందుకోసం అని చెప్పి ప్రాబ్లం అవుతున్నట్టుంది.
అవును, అదే ఇంట్లో ఉన్నారు కదా అందుకు.
అవునవును.
ఓకే సార్.
You'll do project also, sir. Yeah, I'll do some sample project. Hello world, some with Django. I'll tell you one project.
Okay.
If you have any doubts, please ask me, or else you just post me in chat box so that I'll explain you. I'll wait 2 more minutes. 9:06 I'll stop. Yes, I'll give few assignments. Nikhil, I'll give. Today is that assignment. That is assignment only. That list and operations. Okay, guys, I'm leaving. Thank you. Bye bye.
Good night, sir.
Okay,
Good night.
thank you.